My name is Alexia, I work at Outright PR and I'm an account executive. I went to university in Newcastle and I studied media and communications. I loved the city and I loved the course as well. I chose to go there because it was the highest ranked course at the time. And then I applied for the job back in Mould halfway through my third year. And I just really wanted to come back home. I missed North Wales, it's such a lovely place to live and then to be near to family as well. So it was nice to move back home. I think it's something I took for granted growing up as well because I was born here. I've lived in Wrexham the majority of my life. But when I went to uni, I obviously loved the city, but I did miss being based in the countryside. There's so many interesting things nearby, different sort of activities to do. It's near the beach, which is really, really lovely. And I really was happy to move back home as well, especially working in an agency because we work with loads of local businesses. So it's nice to help and empower businesses nearby, which I really enjoy in my day-to-day job. It's cliche to say, but no 2 days are really the same because we work with a lot of different clients, offering a lot of different services. So it really depends on what client you're working on that day. Because I'm an account executive, I'm usually working across all the different clients. So it could be social media, it could be out filming for clients, interviewing third parties, writing press releases, working with journalists. So it is just really depending on the day, which is really nice because it keeps it interesting. Because I work in PR and communications is a huge skill to have, and that's both written and verbal communications every day. I'm usually talking out loud to clients and journalists, so obviously being confident to speak to people and pick up the phone, that's a huge asset to have. And then again, written, because a lot of my role is content based, so being confident to write social media posts and press releases and web stories, that's crucial. Creativity as well, working in PR is essential, and having an eye for creative ideas and applying them to clients to sort of achieve the client's objectives, because the industry is constantly changing. Always having a finger on the pulse to respond to industry developments and to sort of try apply client objectives to what's developing in the industry. Every company, they need PR and they need their reputation to be maintained. So I would say trying to get experience wherever you can, because every company needs it. So if you're living in North Wales, there's so many companies nearby which need help with their social media. So sort of just reaching out and seeing how you could be of use to them. Working in PR, it's sort of got this stereotype that you need to be in a big city in a massive agency, and I don't think that's true. I find working in a smaller agency, you learn a lot quicker. So I think it's really nice that in North Wales there are opportunities to grow, and you don't have to be in a big city to thrive and to learn. It's very interesting living here and working in an agency. So I'm really grateful for the opportunity and everything that I've learnt across the 2 years.